Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds QCY Buds ANC. And you have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Once you put both of these earbuds to the charging case, it will already start to be disconnected. And we can see it at the device list. If you have Apple device, you will see that it's not connected. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. And after that, so you don't need to close the charging case. If you put it here, it's already disconnected. And then you just remove these earbuds from the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone. And as you can see right here, we have connection. If you have Android, it will return to My Devices. Now with this method we can fix a lot of small trouble with these earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!